In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import folders into DaVinci Resolve. We will walk through each click together so your media comes in exactly how you expect. First, go to the Media page. Look along the bottom of DaVinci Resolve for the row of page icons. Click the one labeled Media. When you are in the right place, you will see the media pool in the top part of the screen and the media storage panel on the left side. The viewer area will be mostly empty if you have not imported anything yet. Once you are here, you are working in the part of Resolve designed just for bringing files into your project. Now, in the Media Storage panel, find the folder you want to import. This panel shows your drives and folders, similar to a simple file browser. If you do not see your drive, look for it in the list and click the small arrow to expand it. Then click through your folders until you reach the one that holds your clips, audio, or graphics. When you highlight a folder in this panel, its contents appear in the main area to the right. That is a quick way to confirm you have the correct folder before you import anything. A helpful tip here, if you store media on an external drive, make sure it is connected and visible in this media storage list before you continue. Once you have located the folder, right-click the folder. Use the right mouse button on the folder name directly in the media storage panel. A context menu appears right next to your cursor, with several options specific to that folder. If you do not see the menu, check that you clicked on the folder name itself and not on an empty space. This right-click is how you tell Resolve you want to bring that whole folder into the project, rather than just a single file. From that menu, choose either Add Folder into Media Pool or Add Folder and Subfolders into Media Pool. Add Folder into Media Pool brings in only the media that sits directly inside that folder. Any clips in deeper subfolders will be ignored. This can be useful if you have one clean folder for final clips and other folders for backups you do not want in the project. Add folder and subfolders into Media Pool brings in that folder and everything inside every nested folder under it. Resolve keeps the folder structure inside the Media Pool, which makes large projects much easier to keep organized. After you click your chosen option, watch the Media Pool. You will see your clips appear, and if you pick the subfolders option, you will see bin folders that match your original structure. You have now imported a whole folder of media into DaVinci Resolve, ready to edit with the same structure you set up on your drive. If this walkthrough helped you get your folders into Resolve cleanly, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more focused Resolve tips.